the last one, but not as big as the first one. There are some trout in here.
That's good to
know. Rocks in the center, so want to avoid those because of your bash plate.
I'm gonna ride right where you're walking, my friend.
Oh, it's getting deep. It's in my boots.
Well, I'll just power through when I get there.
Okay, there's roots coming out right here.
All right.
Oh yeah, I now have a boot full of water. Yeah, and I don't have a stick to test that with. Okay.
It was all good. There was nothing surprising.
Okay.
Put my kickstand down so I can get you coming across. Nothing surprising at all. A little kick-off gravel on the way, but nothing surprising at all. And it really didn't get that much deeper than it is right before you get to that grass halfway through.
Yeah, right where I got water all in my boots. That was about as deep as apparently it was going to get. I mean, I saw you go down just a little bit right past where I went to, but...
Yeah, I want to catch it coming so I can see how far up your wheel it goes.
Yeah, not as far as I thought it would, to be honest.
Yeah, so you're not even at the axle. Now you're at the axle. Now you're over the axle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And my brakes are squeaky now.
Nice.
Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
No, that was cool. Hang on, let me wipe my face off. People, it is, we got out at 7:30ish. Because the heat index is supposed to be over 100 by 10. I don't know what time it is. I guess it's somewhere around
10:04.
10:04.
No cell service whatsoever.
It is getting warm.
Yeah, by 11 or 12, it's supposed to be up to 103 heat index.
103 heat index by 11 or 12. All right, well then we should be done by 11.
We might not make the whole 16 miles. Squishy boots, squishy boots. Oh, I loved it.
Man, yeah, I'm not, I'd like to try to go a period of time without saying the word sand in a vlog. But I'm just so happy.
Dude, you have every right to say sand in a blog now after the switch that you have flipped.
Everything we've gone through today.
Ugh.
2 months ago, I would have said, dude, let's just turn around and find some asphalt.
Yeah.
And, yeah, it's bouncing around, sliding around. Some of this mud is not my favorite thing in the world. Followed by,
I was sitting.
be followed by sand, that's not my favorite thing in the world. But now it's just, there's not like any fear attached to it. Now it's just an obstacle to be conquered, you know?
Yeah. And you're doing awesome at it too.
Fear will jack up your head so bad, man.
Yep.
You know, and now I'm getting to enjoy giving some throttle when I'm in the back end, skip out a little. I mean, it's not much. It's nothing compared to what a lot of other people can do 1,000 times better than me, but it's the beginning of playing.
Yeah. I feel like I've taken a wrong turn.
What gear are you in?
I just went to first, but I'm coming back to second again. I go back and forth a lot.
Okay. I just got to get comfortable with it.
Like right now, I'm going down to first just because I'm coasting downhill.
Yeah, see, I stay in second on this, and I just cover my brake with my foot, but I probably shouldn't do that.
Water crossing. Can't see, but
I'm sure it's pretty shallow, but it looks silty as hell. And look what's on the other side.
mud, clay, mud.
Uphill.
Oh, it's getting deep. I took the wrong line.
I think we're all the wrong line.
Okay, be on the left when you come out though, because of the mud.
Mud bogging.
And now sand.
Right on your ass, my friend.
Whoa! I didn't have enough speed.
I just laugh about sliding.
Whoa! Alright, second gear.
I think I'm having fun. That was awesome.
Yeah. I do need to check and see where we're at on the map.
Okay.
This shade looks
That
good.
was awesome.
Oh, we're coming up on the road. And we're going to take a right.
Okay, okay. Nice. Fucking awesome. You know what? We need to get like a shit ton of delusionals down here to do this run.
Oh, that would be awesome. Maybe build on this run just a hair. You know, get all the wrinkles ironed out of it. Maybe add a little to it. Maybe. We'll see. We haven't done the whole thing yet. But yeah, make an actual ride out of this.
Right. Don't coach tail on. This is all sand, people.
Yep.
And no panic. You know, and that's the biggest thing. Oh shit, I'm talking about sand again.
It's okay. People will learn from you because they've seen you progress.
You know what we didn't do? We didn't resync our cameras when we turned them on.
No, we didn't. I'll stop right here and turn around. Or actually come up next to me and...
Well, all that stuff that was just on film, I'll have to find a sync point for. So the next time we stop, we'll turn them off. Syncing now won't matter because I want to use that previous footage. I'll have to look and sync by something that happens in the video.
Okay.
But when we stop to check the map and get some more water, we'll turn them off again and then we'll sync when we turn on.
Alright. Speaking of which, we're going this way. Whoa! Get started and keep going, dumbass. I was not ready to stand up yet.
This is when you wish you could start at speed in second gear. Because for me, starting in first gear sitting, getting to where I could stand, and then getting a second gear, all while navigating the sand is a challenge. Another challenge to be mastered. I mean, I need to be able to go from 0 to 10 miles an hour in no feet.
Got hunters. Got a dog too.
That's it. And they were very nice too.
Yeah. Of course, we didn't come through with super loud pipes screaming it as hard as we could.
Oh, and they're grown-ups.
Yeah. We're supposed to be turning left. Here it is. I knew it was coming up, I just couldn't see it.
What trail is this one?
Just missed it. S60.
That's 60. I think I remember looking at this. Yeah. That's what I get for looking down at my phone while I was turning left in the sand.
Oh yeah, that's a great time to be looking down at your phone.
Blinkers on, brother.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, that was horrible timing.
Yeah. Well, it's great timing if you're trying to teach yourself lessons.
Right.
Silt. Whoa, squirrely silt. I just went through it instead of around it.
Yeah, when I come to that stuff, I just roll through. I don't even try to put power to the wheel.
I was basically trying to stay constant, but it still slipped when my tire hit.
That's the one thing for me, mud is different. Is that I don't,
Nah, that's nothing. Just mucky.
there's a hole. Just to the left of where you went, there was a hole right there at the end.
Ah, that's why I hugged, because I couldn't see.
It wasn't a big hole, it was just a surprising hole.
Yeah, I don't.
That's what she said.
Oh, poppy. Oh. I had to power out of that. Wasn't expecting it right in the turn.
That's Mike Sandy's secret.
Whoa, yep. I looked down at my phone and
I relax now. Just relax. Nothing has been right through all damn day.
yeah, exactly. Which way do I go? Which way do I go? There's a choice and I don't see it on the map.
I'll wait for the map to catch up.
I guess this way. That other one was not on my maps.
Forget about your battery, my friend.
Okay. A little bit further, we got a right-hand turn to make. I'll do it there.
Okay.
Of course, the shade under this big oak tree kind of looks nice. Whoa. Ow, I just kind
I
of...
made myself stay on my pegs that time in that turn and then give it some throttle,
Yeah.
and it worked out.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't pretty.
But it worked.
can't believe it. I can't believe that I'm enjoying this. Remembering how fearful and how much I hated this stuff.
Yeah.
Of course, that doesn't mean I'm not going to bust my ass.
Oh, yeah, I mean, the chances of one of us busting our ass is still, you know, good enough.
You know, like this extended section of sand where you're in the middle, I'm staying in the sand, and every time I start wanting to either slow down or I think about it being sandy, I just look farther ahead.
Yeah.
And it just goes away. The swirly goes away, everything goes away.
Yeah. Yeah, it takes the tension out, the apprehension, the tightness.
Yeah.
Alright.
When you're focused right in front of you, your brain,
Yeah, it wants to fix every little minute problem you think is in front of you.
oh, it's trying to panic multitask.
Yeah.
And when you're looking down the road, you're just right.
Oh, mud. I'm gonna go around just 'cause slippery. Oh, sand. I did not see that.
Yeah.
I was looking at everything else and wasn't looking at this.
That caught me by surprise.
Yeah.
I definitely sat down. Got an interesting little slug trail.
Okay, this looks like a good spot to get some water, change batteries. Actually, a little further down, it looks like better shade.
Alright, I'm just stopped for a second so my hip cramp can go away.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna look for the best spot.
Go ahead. I'm good. At this stage of the game, since I already sat down, I'm coming through sitting the rest of the way, so that I really don't want to.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
I really don't want to drop it. As tired as we are right now, or as tired as I am, anyway.
As long as neither one of us is injured too bad, we can get it up.
Right.
Boom, boom. Valet service, sir.
LA parking. This is the way to do it. Try to trail and try to get from A to B.
I'm glad I didn't come out here and scout this trail out ahead of this ride.
They're going to break people. Wait, go ahead, say what?
I'm glad I didn't pre-scout like I said I was going to try to do. It's made it more of an adventure to not have it corrected yet.
Absolutely. All right, we're going to take a break.